Bonjour à tous. Comment ça va? Je vais bien, merci. Okay, so we are going to start today. The topic name is les articles contractés. Les articles contractés. So this is a very important topic, especially for the school students who are preparing for the exam or any DELF exam. If you are preparing for DELF, this is an important topic. Okay, so it covers all the school students, the college students, as well as any test preparation. Let's start. Les articles contractés. So it is basically, there are two prepositions we use. The first one is the. Okay, today, because it has two prepositions, but today we will cover only one preposition in this video, that is the. Okay, so first of all, due. Okay, now please understand its sense. Whenever you want to say in the sense of, okay, so you will use this in the sense of or from. Let's see example. Okay, for example, due vous utilisez pour masculin singulier. Okay, due vous utilisez pour masculin singulier. So masculine singulier के लिए use करेंगे due. कैसे? See the sentence. C'est le chapeau du garçon. ठीक है? So this is the cap of boy. मतलब किसकी कैप है? बॉय की. So when you want to say it in the sense of, you will use du garçon. Now how you will decide? Garçon, as you all know, is boy, right? Then you will use du. Parce que garçon est masculin. Okay. Move to the next. De la. Vous utilisez pour féminin singulier. Okay. Now here is an example. मैंने क्या लिया है? Ce sont les livres de la fille. So ये लड़की की like copy या books हैं. Livre is books, right? Okay. So अगर मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँ, these are the books of the girl, right? Now how we will do? Ce sont les livres. कोई जो भी आपका character है, then we will use the character fille and it is féminin singulier. De la. So, ce sont les livres de la fille. Okay. Move to the next. The l'apostrophe masculin, féminin, singulier. Okay. Now, copy किसकी है? Student की है. Right? So, sailor का ये de l'étudiant. Sailor का ये de l'étudiant. Ici, je utilise de l'apostrophe. D'accord? Next, they pour pluriel, masculine, feminine pluriel. Ce sont les robes. So these are dresses. किसकी dresses है? Des femmes. Femmes. So femme, women, plural, des femmes. Right? Do vous utilisez pour le nom propre. Proper noun. For example, Dimple, Shashi, okay, Angel. Any name you can use. These are the proper nouns. We will use the. Okay. Or adjective possessive. You all know adjective possessive we have already done. Mama, me, tota, te, son, sa, se. Okay. Adjective possessive with noun. Right. Example. See example. C'est la maison. This is the house. किसका house है? The Lavanya. So Lavanya is a proper noun. We will use the. We will not see some students do like that. Lavanya, it is a girl, so we will use the la. No. So with proper noun, use the. And if your noun is starting with vowel, we will use, for example, we will take angel. So the, because here is a vowel, so you will use the apostrophe. Okay? So use the apostrophe. Next, c'est la maison. So this is the house. किसका house है? The mon père. मेरे पापा का. Again, mon is a possession. Père is a noun. So whenever you use this, you will use the. Okay, the. So c'est la maison de mon père. Okay. So So this is the usage of les articles contractés. Here it is in the sense of, okay, but we use it also in the sense of what we can say from, okay. Let's say example. For example, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मैं इंडिया से हूँ, so what we say, I am from India. Okay, let's see example. I'll use here. So it will be je viens. Now India is, we will use vowel, right? Because it's starting with a vowel name. So here it is used from. Okay, another example you can say mon père rentre. मेरे पापा वापस आए. Rentre. कहाँ से आए? From bibliothèque, from library. In the evening 6 du soir. मतलब शाम के 6 बजे. So my father rentre. Bibliothèque. Bibliothèque est féminin. Pour féminin on va utiliser de la. So here it is in the sense of from. D'accord? So on va utiliser de la. Okay? So this is your practice exercise. Understand this as well and do this exercise and write in the comment box. I'll tell you if you are right or wrong and I'll give you the explanation in the chat box. Okay? So जल्दी से एक बार recall कर लेते हैं what it is. Les articles contractés, we will use it in the sense of the, in the sense of या from. If I want to say this is the house of. Okay? Now of, these are kind of in French. So masculine, feminine, vowel, plural and the noble subjective possessive. C'est le chapeau du garçon. So टोपी है, किसकी कैप है? Chapeau is a hat. किसकी hat है? Garçon की. Garçon masculine. Feel the feel. Even you can write anything here, right? Due. I can also write here due. No, here it will not come. C'est le chapeau du garçon. Parce que c'est le garçon. De la fille. Here I can write. C'est le cahier de l'étudiant. Or you can say c'est le cahier de l'homme. है ना? So man is here vowel and then will use the l'homme. So you can write any noun after it. I hope you understood this topic well and if you have any query related to this, kindly write in the comment box. I would love to answer it. Thank you so much. Au revoir.